Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you exactly how to make your own unique text styles in Canva. Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter 200 by 200 pixels for the width and height. After entering the dimensions, click Create New Design. This will generate a blank canvas set to your specified size, ready for your custom design work. Select the text area, then tap Add Text to insert new content. If you want a title, choose Add Heading instead. After selecting either option, you'll see a variety of text styles. Pick the one you prefer, then type your desired text into the selected box. Search through the available font options until you find a style that looks good or offers a unique appearance. Click to sample this. Type the word gravity into the search box to begin your search process. You will now be able to see the text displayed on your screen, confirming that the process was completed successfully and everything is working. You can also adjust the size of the element and apply various effects. Use the intensity slider to control how strong the effect appears. Experiment with different sizes and intensity levels to achieve the desired look for your project. You can also add an outline by selecting the outline option. You can also use preset text elements available in the editor. To add text, browse the text options in the sidebar. Choose a style that fits your project, like heading, subheading, or decorative text. Click on your preferred text style to add it to your canvas. Once added, double-click the text box to edit the content. Type in your desired message or label. You can adjust the font, size, color, and alignment using the text formatting toolbar. Position the text on the canvas as needed. Explore the different types of fonts available by clicking the font dropdown and browsing through the various style options provided. You can also click the Animation tab at the top of the screen to access various animation options and apply them to your selected objects or text. You can easily animate objects by selecting them, then choosing the animation style and adjusting the animation duration. Now you can make custom text in Canva like a pro. If this was useful, hit like and subscribe.